that's the biggest issue with chronically ill people is that they have nervous system dysregulation.
100%. And I think that probably it's funny. I was just talking about this with my co-founder Crystal, and in my clinical practice, the reason I started focusing so much on trauma is based not only on my own experience, but in after being a doctor for many years, I started realizing that all of my complex chronic illness patients had trauma, and that was the underlying root cause for I would say, I don't know, 95, 98% of people's chronic illnesses. Again, even if they're immune issues like autoimmune issues or chronic infections, or even if it was hormone imbalance or cancer, I did my residency in oncology. Everything really, the root cause for probably 98% of people was trauma. And so that's where my practice ended up. That's why my practice now focuses so much on trauma, because people generally can't heal if the trauma isn't addressed, because it affects everything in the nervous system, the brain, the way the brain develops, the autonomic nervous system, which governs everything that we're not aware of. And so, yeah, definitely nervous system dysregulation. Also, I mean, look at our world. Like, our
Yeah.
world is super toxic to our nervous system on every level, with the inputs and everything coming in both mentally, emotionally, and physically. Our nervous systems are pretty shot as a society these days. So yeah, balancing the nervous system, I have found, is the key to optimal health, to optimizing health. And people need support with that.
Wow.
You know, it's not something that can just be talked about. People need catalysts to support that.